made it a responsibility to be very punctual and quite firm. My sitting time was 8:30 a.m. prompt. I arranged the cases myself, starting from rulings and judgments, through hearing of motions and interlocutory applications, and ending with part-heard cases. For this reason, I never tolerated applications from lawyers, whatever their standing was at the bar, for their cases to be called out of turn. Naturally, I incurred the displeasure of some very senior members of the bar, who reported me to the then Chief Justice. His Lordship invited me for my response. And when I explained that, apart from the practice complying with the existing rules of court, it also ensured discipline and sanity in the court, thereby enabling me to exercise full control over my court, His Lordship highly commended me and encouraged me to keep it up. And he used it to address the meeting of this very association at that year's conference, and he urged all to emulate it. I'm not saying this to praise myself, for I don't need it. After all, I'm at the tail end of my judicial career. I'm raising it because reports coming in indicate that a number of trial court judges defer to some lawyers, especially the senior ones, and allow them literally to dictate the pace in their courts. But you must bear it in mind that the courts are not for the lawyers, but for the citizens and parties who have come before you. So by deferring to the lawyers, you will be doing injustice to other parties who do not have legal representation or who happen to engage junior members at the bar. The path that a case should take in court should not be determined by the lawyer, but by the nature of the matters or topics to be dealt with for the day, and most important of all, by the rules of court. Why should a party who is coming for a simple application for letters of administration, for instance, sit in court for 3 hours because a senior lawyer has made an application for his part-heard case to be continued? You will have done injustice to the other party already, and you have lost control of your court. You must politely and firmly tell the senior lawyer to wait for his turn. If you are noted for being fair and firm, in the end, all lawyers will respect you for that, and sooner than later, they will be the ones recommending you for promotions.